White sauce, also known as Bechamel in Europe, is the mother sauce of French and Italian cuisine. Used in pasta bakes, lasagna, and many other dishes, it's traditionally made with butter, milk, and flour. In this vegan white sauce, we use olive oil and plant milk to make a sauce that is as delicious and versatile as the original Bechamel. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with vegan cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. Bechamel is a creamy white sauce that's traditionally made with butter, flour, and milk, and it's often used as a base to make other sauces. Its origin is debated, but it seems to have been invented in either Italy or France between the 16th and 17th centuries. This is such an easy recipe, and it only takes about 10 minutes to make this white sauce from scratch. Our favorite way to use our vegan Bechamel sauce is in pasta bakes or savory pancakes. The result is a silky, creamy, velvety sauce that will take your food to the next level. Ingredients for white sauce. Flour. Use all-purpose flour for a light white sauce. If you want a healthier version, you can use whole grain flour. Oil. Most vegetable oils work for this recipe, however, be mindful that the oil will give the flavor to the sauce, so pick an oil you like. We love doing this vegan white sauce with extra virgin olive oil. For a milder flavor, go with refined sunflower oil. For a richer white sauce, you can use vegan butter, in the same quantities. Plant milk, most kinds will work here. We like to use soy milk as it's richer and more nutritious than most other plant milks. The most important thing is that your plant milk is unsweetened and without any flavors. Nutmeg, not always necessary, but it's a key ingredient in the original Italian and French Bechamel version. If you don't like nutmeg, you can just leave it out. Salt, add a couple of pinches of fine sea salt to add some flavor. How to make vegan white sauce. Into a small saucepan over medium heat, add 40 grams or 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 40 grams or a quarter cup of flour. Warm it up and stir till the mixture starts to bubble, then add 500 grams or 2 cups of unsweetened soy milk, at room temperature is fine, a pinch of salt, and grated nutmeg. Keep stirring over medium heat until the white sauce thickens. It should only take about 5 minutes. Keep in mind that the white sauce will keep thickening as it cools down, so don't make it too thick. Set aside, remembering to stir it from time to avoid lumps. Use as you like. Mistakes I made. Cooling. This is actually the trickiest part of making white sauce because cooling the sauce will create a patina on top that will make the sauce lumpy. To avoid this, you have 2 options. You can either use a piece of parchment paper and place it on top of the Bechamel. Or you can transfer the sauce from the hot pot into a cold bowl, then stir while it cools down. The sauce will not lump once cold. To speed up this process, you can even cool at bain-marie, submerging half of the pot into another bigger pot full of ice-cold water while stirring the sauce. Tips. Stir fast. When you add the flour, stir fast. Also, when you add the plant milk, stir immediately and fast. This will help reduce lumps in the sauce. Also, make sure you stir evenly and around the edges of your pot. Add the plant milk all at once. Do not add milk slowly or it will form lumps. Add all the milk at the same time and stir fast. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.